Alright, let's pull back the curtain on how bakeries create that perfect loaf of bread, from start to finish. First off, every great bread starts with 4 simple ingredients: flour, water, yeast, and salt. But trust me, there's a world of magic in how you use them. Bakers begin by measuring out each ingredient with precision. Too much water and you get a sticky mess. Too little and the dough's like a brick. Next, everything gets tossed into a mixer. This isn't your grandma's hand mixing. It's an industrial machine that kneads the dough until it's silky, stretchy, and ready to rise. The dough will rest and ferment, sometimes for hours. This is where the flavor really comes alive. You might see bakers doing a little poke test. That's where they press the dough gently. If it springs back, it's ready for the next stage. After the dough has rested up, it's time to shape it. Each loaf is weighed, cut, and shaped by hand or with machines, depending on the bakery. Now, the shaped dough goes into proofing baskets or trays. During the second rise, the bread develops its final texture. But here's where it gets real: the oven. Bakeries use high-powered, steam-injected ovens. The steam gives bread that crispy golden crust you love. Once baked, loaves are tapped on the bottom. A hollow sound means they're perfectly baked. Some bakers might even slice a test loaf open to check for that airy crumb. But the journey's not over yet. After cooling, breads move to packaging. Bakeries wrap loaves in paper, plastic, or even eco-friendly bags to keep them fresh. Labels are added, showing off the bakery's name, bread type, and sometimes even the baker's signature. Now let's talk about the big finish, the customer purchase. Breads are displayed on rustic wooden shelves or behind glass cases, filling the bakery with that irresistible aroma. Customers pick their favorite loaves, maybe give them a gentle squeeze or listen for that satisfying crusty sound. Some bakeries even offer samples so you can taste before you buy. And just like that, the bread's journey from flour to your table is complete. Whether you tear it apart for breakfast or save it for a late-night snack, you're tasting the result of hours of care, craft, and, honestly, a little bit of bakery magic. So next time you bite into a fresh loaf, remember, the story behind it is just as rich as the